Alright, so hi there everyone. My name is Ricalde. I'll be showing you how to process a assembly for a system unit of your computer. Alright, so first thing, let's start with the power supply. Alright, so the power supply is it's kind of the main source of power for your computer. So just install it that way. Secure it with the screws. Alright, and that's it. Now going to your motherboard, we have here your RAM, or what we call this the random access memory. So basically these are the super fast storage that your computer uses to hold data. So it affects, it connects to your, or it reads in your computer for short-term time. So let me just have it installed here, just like that, and you need to make sure that the locks are connected to secure the RAM. Alright, we got the RAM too. Got it installed right here. Again, this is for this is just holds data it needs in the short term. So that's the RAM. Okay, go lock it down here. Alright, it's locked in. You're good. Now we go to the CPU, or the central processing unit. So this is what they call the brain of your computer. So you need to make sure this is properly plugged in, because this one here is kind of sensitive. So to make sure it's properly aligned, just like that. And again, this CPU performs arithmetic, logical, input, output, and other basic instructions that passed from the operating system. So just lock it in, just like this. Alright, and you're good. Now we're going to put some thermal compound on the CPU. So this is used to fill the microscopic gap between CPU and the heatsink, which we're going to install right now. Alright, it's like that. There's some bolts on it, just screw it in. Secure this one here, just like that, and you're good. It's installed to your motherboard. So going back to your motherboard, right, I'm going to just align this in. By the way, this heatsink here, it draws power away from the components by letting it rise through the set of power fins. As you can see here, there's a set of fins on the heatsink, right? So you just need to install that one here. Put some screws on it to secure. And this one right here are called the adapter cards. So basically these are all installed to your computer to add some functionality. So this one right here is your network interface card, or the NIC. It connects your computer to your network. So that's the NIC. So here, this one here is the wireless NIC. So this one connects your computer to another computer or other wireless access points using radio signals. So connect this one here. And lastly, this is the video card. So this sends data to a computer display. Right, we're good. Now let's go to the external drive. So we got first the hard disk drive, or the HDD. So I'm gonna install that one here. So this one is a magnetic drive that stores large amounts of data on fixed media. So this one is the HDD. So install that one here. Also, we got here the optical drive. So this is the DVD or CD drive. Start that one here. So this one right here, it reads or writes information to your CDs and reads DVDs. So that's the purpose of that component right there. Some CPU on it. Screws. Oh, we got the floppy disk already. Just like that. Insert that one here. Right, and we add some screws to lock that end. By the way, this floppy disk here, this reads and writes information to your floppy diskettes. That's the purpose of that one. Okay, where am I already? To go back right here and do drive screws. Alright, forgot the screws already. Okay, make sure that you don't forget the screws. That's for security, for intact of your computer. Okay, just like that. Now we're going to go to the connectors. So first thing, we got the 4-pin auxiliary connector. So this is here. Alright, so the purpose of this one is it powers the VRM that supplies power to your CPU. So I'm gonna install that one. Alright, the next one we got the 20 or 24 ATX pin connector. Provides primary power to your computer system. So this one right here. Alright, then I got here SATA cable. Gonna install that one here. So this one is also called SATA cable because this is used as an interface for connecting a host bus adapter to mass storage. So that is still a SATA cable. So this one right here is a bridge connector actually. So basically for bridge connector, it's used with your computer power supplies that connects floppy disk drives or front panel slides and resets or turbo buttons. So that's the use of that bridge connectors. Alright, so we got here the Molex power connector. So this one right here connects your computer power supply to drives and devices inside your computer. So it's like here, it's going to be connected to your drive. Alright, just like that. Okay, so I'm going to install the PATA, or basically called the Parallel Advanced Technological Attachment. So connects hard drives into computer systems. So I'm gonna connect it that way. Alright, it's like that. And the end of it should be connected here. Alright, just like that. Alright, and this one, the floppy cable. So one or more floppy disk drives to connect to a computer. So that's the use of that one. Floppy disk drives. Oops. bridge connector. Alright, that's it. And one last thing, still the SATA cable. So it's still an interface for connecting a host bus adapter to a mass storage device. So connect that one here. Okay, the end of this should be connected here. And you should be good to go. Okay. Oh. Alright, just like that. Okay. So I forgot the heatsink, so it should be connected right here. This is free connector for the fans, the case fans. Alright, we're almost done. We just need to lock in your system unit. Get the case panels. Close that in with your screws. Get a monitor cable here, right here. So you need to make sure it's properly installed because the fins are sensitive. It's really small, so it might cause some damage. So be careful with that. Also the keyboard, the violet one. The pins are really small, so you need to be careful. The mouse was the green one. Okay. Alright, see, it's very sensitive. USB cable. And one last thing, the internet cable. It's very common nowadays for internet. And we got the adapter, the wireless antenna. And we got the power cord. This thing, and you should be good. That's it. Simple as that. You have just successfully properly assembled your computer's system unit. And that's it. Thanks for watching.